Are you aware China has built one of the biggest car manufacturing plants in Lagos, Nigeria? Yes, it is true. But if you're not aware, please watch this video to the end to know about this magnificent project, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notification for other interesting updates. Let's get started. China, through a joint venture with the Lagos State government, has established a mega car manufacturing plant known as CIG Motors, which is a significant milestone in Nigeria's automotive industry. Here is what you need to know about it.
Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel and thanks for clicking. Lagos State government inaugurated an automobile assembly plant in partnership with CIG Motors, a Chinese company. The plant, located along Wemco Road in Ogba, Lagos, was established 2 years ago after the joint venture agreement was signed. This initiative is part of a bilateral agreement reached between the Lagos State government and the Chinese investors in 2019. The assembly plant has started production with 2,000 units of brand new GAC vehicles already assembled in Lagos. The plant is designed to assemble 5,000 units of new vehicles yearly in the first phase, generating thousands of direct and indirect jobs. The government emphasized that the development showcases a promising synergy between international partnerships and local talent, highlighting Lagos' openness to investment that fosters job creation, skill development, and wealth creation. The plant has an initial production capacity of 5,000 units per year, with plans to increase to 50,000 units annually in 3 phases. The plant will also produce various GAC vehicle models including GA4, GS3, GS4, and GS8 brands. The plant is also expected to generate thousands of direct and indirect jobs, providing employment opportunities for Lagos residents. CIG Motors has initiated skill transfer and technical training programs to empower unemployed individuals with the necessary skills to thrive in the competitive job market. The inauguration of this plant is expected to significantly reduce unemployment in Lagos by providing job opportunities for residents as earlier stated. The plant will also contribute to increased economic activity, supply chain development, and ancillary businesses, creating wealth and entrepreneurial opportunities. The assembly plant will provide affordable and quality transportation for Lagosians, reducing dependence on second-hand vehicles imported from overseas. The plant is actually built to meet international standards, ensuring the production of high-quality vehicles. To further explain, the Lagos State government entered into a joint venture agreement with CIG Motors, a Chinese automobile company, for the berthing of a new vehicle assembly plant in Lagos. Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu commissioned the automobile assembly plant sited along Wemco Road in Ogba axis of Lagos, 2 years after both partners signed the agreement for the construction of the factory. The facility will be jointly run by the state government and its partner for the production of different classes of brand new cars. Lagos State government stressed that it was a result of a part of the bilateral agreement reached by the governor of Lagos and the Chinese investors during the governor's business trip to China in November 2019. Already, the statement said that over 2,000 units of brand new GAC vehicles had been successfully assembled in Lagos. The plant, it said, was built with production capacity to assemble 5,000 units of new vehicles yearly in the first phase, while generating thousands of direct and indirect jobs. The governor described the development as a promising synergy between international partnerships and local talent, stressing that it underscores Lagos' openness to investment that would foster job creation, skill development, wealth creation, and entrepreneurial opportunity. Stakeholders noted that the ripple effect of this investment extends far beyond the automotive sector. It has ushered in a new dawn of employment, providing unemployed youth with well-deserved jobs, thereby significantly reducing unemployment in Lagos. The skill transfer and technical training programs initiated by CIG Motors has also empowered many unemployed individuals, arming them with the requisite skills to thrive in today's competitive job environment. This initiative is nothing short of visionary. Through increased economic activity, supply chain development, and ancillary businesses, wealth is being created and evenly distributed among the people. This synergy will not only provide affordable and quality transportation for Lagosians, but also will open up a plethora of entrepreneurial opportunities for many. The governor noted that the completely knocked down factory, which spans 35,000 square meters, will raise the quality of life and standard of living, as it will crash the cost of brand new GAC vehicles in local markets and also reduce dependence on second-hand vehicles imported from overseas. Although the plant was built to assemble cars locally, the efficiency would meet international standards. The chairman, CIG Motors, noted that the assembly workshop was designed in 3 phases to respond to the market demands of GA4, GS3, GS4 and GS8 brands of GSC products. The full operations of the assembly plant is expected to raise annual production capacity from 5,000 to 50,000 units yearly. The assembly plant, according to the government, has production and quality inspection workshops comprising 3 automated lines: the trim line, chassis line, and final line. But how did all this started? GSC Motors, the Chinese automobile maker, announced in 2019 that it was considering setting up an assembly plant in Lagos, Nigeria, following a visit to the company's headquarters by Lagos State Governor. The governor of Lagos reportedly toured several companies in different countries in search of potential investors in the Lagos economy. Interestingly, GSC was already considering expanding its business into international markets, and the governor's invitation made them optimistic about coming to Lagos. With the arrival of GSC in Lagos, the project was approved for execution in July 2021 and construction began in October 2021. The project industrial area covered a total area of 35,000 square meters and the automobile production line covered an area of 4,800 square meters. It was noted that the investor carefully studied the automobile market and met with key stakeholders to partner with in order to revive the sector by establishing a world-class automobile assembly plant in Nigeria. The GSC Motor Assembly Plant in Lagos is now operational and has already assembled about 2,000 brand new vehicles, thereby cementing its foundation in the Nigerian automobile market. Do well to drop your honest comment. Tell us what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you.